Hi, Dan Halsey here with United Designers, working on our wicking pots, our self-watering pots here. You can see we got all our materials, fabric, pipe, and I'm using that drain tile, 6-inch drain tile, which is actually the inside diameter, about 7 inches outside diameter or more. And finished ones, kind of making my way down here. Have the drain tile cut in some and just kind of working the system as we go down. Cutting the fabric in 3x3 sections and then placing them over to the drain tile and then filling them with soil. Of course, it's real important when you're doing this, you have to get the center down, and so I have pushed down in the center of these cottage cheese container. So right down in the hole between the pipes, pushing that down there makes that depression for the soil. And then when I'm filling it with soil, I'll just quickly pull that out. And look at that, the water's already in there. So that is our wicking point right there. But I want to make sure that this fabric is pushed down all the way in this cottage cheese container, which some people use as the wicking part. Pushes that fabric down so we have good contact with the soil. And then making sure when I fill it in that I'm really pushing it along the sides and making sure that fabric really is tucked in, right? Tucked in alongside here. And that works really well. Let me back out here. So as I'm putting in the material, filling the hole first in the center and then pushing this down around the sides to really seal that well with the material. And then keep making sure that the pipe is vertical and that's in between where the drain tile comes together. So working out really well. A couple of finished ones here, another one ready to go, and then mixing the compost, manure, and the peat moss over there. And by the way, when I'm mixing that, it has to be able to fall apart, because if there's too much clay in it, this is too heavy, right? So we want it to wick, not to clump, and so the water will go through it. And you can push on this, it's not going to get compacted because it just falls apart, and that's just the amount of peat we want in here, so it does that. Got 25 here to go. Getting all set, getting our pipe done. Looking really good.